Snoreplasty, it's kind of a weird word, but basically Snoreplasty is a palate procedure that helps for snoring. Typically not for somebody who has sleep apnea, but somebody who snores. What we're doing with Snoreplasty is, and there's a few different techniques that we'll use, but the long and the short of it is we're applying either a chemical underneath the surface or technology like radio frequency underneath the surface to create stiffening of the palate. So a palate that's sort of loose and floppy and blowing in the breeze is where the snoring comes from. A palate that's sort of taut and sort of holding its own when the airflow comes through there is the end result of what we're trying to achieve with Snoreplasty. So it's a very effective procedure when necessary, and it really helps to kind of turn the volume down or off as far as snoring goes.